Space is a factor of odd number, 1 is a factor of odd number, but 0 is a multiple of odd number. Because a number can divide it by 1. Then 1, we call this the factor of all numbers. Letter B, the number -3 is located to the right of the number what? It's meaning -3 greater than what? -3 greater than -4. Okay, you must write here -4. Okay. Look at number line. We have here -3 and we have here right 0, -1, -2, -3 and -4. Then the number -3 is located to the right of the number -4 in the number line. Then the result will be -4. Letter C. In the algebraic term -5 EP, the coefficient here will be -5. -5, we called it the coefficient. Letter D. If 5x equal 15, then x will be 3 because 15 divided by 5 equal 3. He want to find 3x. 3x, to make 3 times the value of x, it will be 3 times 3, it will be equal 9. Letter E. Which of the following is the solution to the inequality? X greater than -2. We must choose 0. 0 is greater than -2. Second question. Letter A. In second question here, space is the smallest prime number 2. Smallest prime number. We know any prime number has only 2 factors. It can divide it by itself and 1 only. Letter B. If b equal absolute value of -7, then b equal 7. Letter C. Ahmed is now y years old. How old was he 3 years ago? 3 years ago, it will mean subtract. Right, y subtract by 3. Okay, the result will be y minus 3. Letter D. If b equals 6, then b divided by what equal 8? b plus what equal 8? b plus 2 equal 8. Write 2 here. Because 2 plus 6 equal 8. Letter E, the inequalities that represent all the values or equal to -8. About letter E, x greater than or equal to -8. Third question, answer the following. Write the equations that represent each of the following models and find the value of x. We can find the first equation here. Letter A, we have here the balance plus 2 equal 9. We have 9 on the left hand side. Okay, x plus 2, it will be equal 9. We have 9 here. Okay, then the equation here, x plus x plus x, it will be 3x. Okay, 3x equal, how many? Count with me. We have here 12. And we can find the solution about this equality. 7 plus 2 equal 9. And here x will be 3 times 4 equal 12. Then x will be equal 4. Understood? Assessment number 2. Choose the correct answer. Letter A. The least common multiple of any 2 prime numbers is what? Their product. Right? Their product, such that 2 and 3. If you want to find the least common multiplication between 2 and 3, you must find their product between 2 and 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So the least common multiple of any 2 prime numbers is their product. Okay, but if you want to find the greatest common factor of any 2 prime numbers, it will be 1. Okay, letter B, the integral that express the depth of wall of 8 meters, it will be -8. Letter C, the number of terms that make up the algebraic expression, we have 5 plus 2 AP. How many number of terms here? We have 5 AP. It's a first plus 2 AP. Okay, 5 plus 2 AP. We have here 2 terms. two terms. Okay. Letter D. If Basim is X years old now, how old will he be after 5 years? 5 years after it's meaning 8 2. Right? X 8 2 5. Letter E. If E plus 3 equals 7, then twice E equal what? We know E plus 3 equals 7, then E here will be equal 4, because 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then he won't find 2A. 2A meaning to product the value of A. The value of A equal 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. The result here will be equal 8. Second question, letter E. Letter E. The least common multiple of any two relatively prime numbers is their product. Right, their product. Okay, the least common multiplication of two relatively prime number is their product. Question letter P. 8 times space plus space equal space multiplication by 9 plus space multiplication by 2. We used here distributive properties. Then we can write here 9 and 2, the sum and 2, and write distributive properties 8 times 9 and 8 times 2. Letter C. The number -3 is the opposite of the number 3. Letter D. The absolute term is algebraic expression 7x plus 1, it will be 1. 1 here we called it the constant. Okay, it's the constant, or we called it what? Absolute term. Absolute term, it's meaning constant. Okay, letter E. The inequality that represent all values less than -6, it will be x less than -6. Third question. Number 1. A school has 604 boys and 521 girls. It is intended to divide the boys and the girls equally into 25 classes in the school. How many students will be in each class? First step, we can find the total of the number by add the number of boys and the number of girls, and then divide the result by 25, because we won't find how many students will be in each class. We must divide it, the total number, by 25. Okay, understood? Then the result will be, open this brackets here to find the number of students in each class. Write 604 plus 521 divided by 25. 4 plus 1 equal 5, 2 plus 0 equal 2, 5 plus 6 equal 11, plus 25, and long division, 1125 divided by 25. 1 divided by 25 we can't do it, and 11 we can't do it. Then we have 112 divided by 25, it will be 4. 4 times 25 equal 100, it's nearest 2. And then find the difference between 2 numbers, 12, and then drop the next number, it will be 5. 125 divided by 25, it will be 5. 5 times 5 equal 25, write 5 and carry up 2. 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 2 equal 12. Then the difference between them, it will be 0. So we will have 45 students in each class. We will have 45 students in each class. Understood? Question number 2. A school. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Solve each the following equation. Letter A. We have x minus 4 equal 8. We must add 4 to left hand side and right hand side. Then x plus 0 equal 12. Then x will be equal 12. Letter B. We have 3y equal 24. You must divide it by coefficient 3 here to find the value of y. 24 divided by 3 equal 8.